Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Rept function in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have some student data with the score of every student here mentioned. So here I'm going to create the chart accordingly score of the student. So let's start. So simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the Rept and select here the Rept function. Then use the double quote and use the vertical bar and again use the double quote. Use the comma, then select the score. Bracket closed and enter. And that's it. Here you see your chart is ready. Just drag below this and here you can see the chart is ready. Now select the font, the play bill font. So I just enter here play bill and enter it. And here you can see the changes. Drag below this. I just drag. Select the cell, drag below this play bill font. Okay. And if you want to change color, you can change it. Just select it and in font, just click on this text color and select the color those you want. That's it. Your chart is ready. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.